Good morning, everyone. This is David Blair, the Crosshairs Trader, and today is Friday, December the 3rd. Thank you very much for joining me. We've got several stocks to look at and a few emerging market ETFs, some other ETFs, and some additional stocks other than the ones that we've been looking at the last few days. Let's take a look at the general market. We've been talking about how the market was in an area that was showing consolidation, correction, and there was one of two scenarios that were going to play out, one of which was the market was going to, with this consolidation, start another leg down, or start a leg down. The other scenario was, out of this consolidation, it was simply going to continue the trend that it's had. Trend up, pull back, and then another trend again. Looks like the market at this point, as of 8:25 a.m., of course before the employment report comes out this morning, looks like the next trend is beginning. And that's all we can trade. Since we do not know the future, all we can do is say what's going on right now. Right now it's held the support line we've had. It's gotten out of this Lego market we've been talking about, at least for now, and heading apparently higher. NASDAQ, same way. Still keeping this line red here, ultimate resistance line. If we break through that and hold it today, then it can be support. Let's quickly take a look at the Dow, and then we'll take a look at our individual stocks. Same thing. Dow looks no different. Lego market sideways. We were expecting that after that long move, and now this may be happening again. We just have to wait and see. Still has some resistance, a couple 100 points up, but here is the support that has been holding, and it's right around a major moving average as well. Again, this is my daily chart. All right, let's take a look at a few ETFs, emerging markets, and just let me share with you what's showing up on my radar screen. For those unfamiliar with Crosshairs trading, an itch simply means that a trade on our intraday chart has fired and met several of the parameters we look for on our daily chart. So we've got an itch here on RSX, which is Russia, the Russian ETF. Weekly is bullish as well. We like to see both charts working with one another. EWC, Canada, same thing. It's interesting. A lot of ETFs, emerging market ETFs, foreign market ETFs are firing bullish signals. Doesn't mean they're all going to work. Market will do what it wants to do, but of course you've got to have some reason to get into a trade, and this is one of them. An itch. So the EWC has had a couple of itches, and now it looks like it is breaking out. EWT, Taiwan index, same thing. We've had several itches on the way up, and it looks like it's just fired another one. Need to be watching them. The weekly's not exactly set up the way I would like it to, but just showing the pattern here that we've had over and over again. Okay, nice trending stock with pullbacks. EWN, EWW, nice trending stock again. We've had several itches after our long-term indicator here fired, letting us know we could have a bullish scenario for weeks and months ahead, and that indeed has happened with several itches, a crosshair, and now some more itches firing and continuing to go up. Okay, IJR, small cap index. Let me expand this. Let's take a look. Small cap index. I want you to notice what's going on here. Breaking out from the highs back in April. 250, simply our long-term indicator that gives us a bias itch with a breakout, and that's on the small cap IJR. MDY, of course, is the mid caps. Same thing is happening here. We had a break above, came back, tested, scared out some of these weak hands, and now continues to rise higher with our itch indicating that we could have a nice move for several days to weeks ahead. Let's color this green. All right, some individual stocks we've been watching quickly, and then I'm going to share with you a new one. APKT we've talked about, continues to rise. BRCM continues to rise. Several Crosshairs traders have taken profits on many of these. CBE continues to rise. Amazon is just going sideways, really, not doing too much. May have something to do with Google coming out with their own ebooks. Nike continuing to rise. GTI, after that breakout back in early November, came back. After this nice breakout, after a long consolidation, pulled back and continues to rise. And while we're sitting here, I'll take advantage of this. See the futures right here? Looks like, let's see, it's 8:30. The unemployment report came out. So you can see the volatility here. From a trading's perspective, it doesn't matter what the report says. It could be a wonderful report and the market's just selling off. Who knows? Not looking yet. All right, GTI, FDX. We've had a nice move on FDX. Several Crosshairs traders have taken advantage of this one as several indicators fired at the same time. We broke out, had some strength on that, and it's gone up about $6 since that breakout. And the last one, before I share a new one, SRCL. It's had a nice move on that breakout of about $6 on SRCL. Could be getting a little extended. Could watch it pause a little bit and then give us an opportunity for another trade. ADP was one that I looked at yesterday. Breaking out. Of course, you say ADP ahead of the employment report, folks. If we worried about every report that came out, we'd never trade, because there's a report almost every day. There's an opportunity for news to affect trades every day, either positively or negatively. Trading is nothing but speculation, and we have no idea what the future will hold. We simply do know that we have rules in effect. We trade those rules, get out when it's not working, stay in with it when it is, and net more money. Make more money on the winners than we lose on the losers, and that's what it's all about. All right, y'all have a wonderful day, both in and outside the charts, and visit me anytime you like, and email me at david@crosshairs.com if you'd like to know a little bit more about my analysis. See you later.